Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to edit a Google Doc in offline. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To edit a Google Doc in offline, go to your Google Docs and here I am going to select this file. To edit it offline, just click on three dot icon here, and here you will find here available offline. Just click on available offline, and I am also want to select this one, available offline. Click on available offline. The both files are able to edit in offline. Open a file. Now I am going to disconnect the internet. Now look, I can edit this file in offline. Look, it's saved to this device and it's edited in offline. Now I'm going to connect internet again. Now look, the save to device is not showing here. I'm going to back. If you want to edit all your files in offline, just now click on menu item on upper left corner and then click on settings. Here you will find offline. Create, open, edit your recent Google Doc files on this device while offline. Now it's turn off. Just click on turn on. Now click on OK. Now all files of my Google Docs I can edit in offline. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.